Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn a very easy and interesting topic, that is factor. Fine, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will find a factor like a maths champion. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Suppose you have 12 chocolate and you want to share the 12 chocolate among your friends. Suppose you have given this 12 chocolate to your one friend. How many friends are there here? Only one friend. So this 12 chocolate you will give to your one friend. So if you do the division, 1 divided by 12, that is, so now my remainder is 0, and how many chocolate this boy will get? 12. Okay, understood all of you? Give this 12 chocolate to your two friends. If you give to your two friends, then what will happen, students? 12 divided by 2, which means each friends will get 6 chocolates. So if you have your two friends and you want to give equally among these two friends, then each will get how much? 6 chocolate. Here also you will get 6 chocolate. Fine, understood? Now if you want to share this 12 chocolate to your 3 friends, suppose 3 friends are there and you want to share equally among them, then students, 12 chocolate, 3 friends are there, so I have to do the division to give equally among 3 of them. So 3 4s are 12, so 12 minus 12 is 0. My remainder is what? 0. Nothing is left after giving 4 to each students or each friends. Got it? Now if you want to share with these 4 friends, how many chocolates? 12 chocolates. Then students, 12 divided by 4, which is 4 3s are 12, then 12 minus 12 is 0. My each friends are getting 3 chocolate here. Fine, and my remainder is what? 0. 0 means what? Nothing is left after that. Then if I want to share my 12 chocolates among 5 friends, then what will happen, students? One, two, three, four. One more boy is there. 5. So then each will get how much? 12 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Now remaining how much? 2. Students, here it is left out. 2 is left out. After giving 2 to everyone, 2 is left out. So now if I give the 12 chocolate among my 6 friends, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 friends, then 6 2s are 12. So now here I got 0. Remainder is 0 means what, students? There is no chocolate left out. I have divided the chocolate among everyone equally, but in this case 2 is left out. That means what, students? This 1 2 3 4 and 6 and the number itself 12. This is the factor of my 12s, and 5 is not the factor of my 12s. Why? The remainder is not 0, it is 2. That's why 5 is not my factor. This 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 are my factor of 12s. Understood all of you? Good. Now it's your turn. Solve one questions. Find the factor of 10. Pause the video and tell me what are the factors of 10. I am giving 5 seconds to you. All of you got the factor of 10. What is that, students? 1, 2, 5 and 10. This is the factor of 10. Well, what is the definition of factors. Students,
लेकिन सर मतलब भी तो समझ में आना चाहिए, ऐसे किताबी डेफिनेशन रट के क्या फायदा।
आप किताब से ज्यादा जानते हैं, किताब में यही डेफिनेशन है, और अगर आपको पास होना हो तो आप यही लिखेंगे।
what is that? If you share a number of things, equally without any leftover, here 0 means what? Nothing is left over. That's why this is the factor of the number. But whereas if you talk about this 5 is what, students? 5 is not the factor of 12. Why? Remainder is 2. That's why this is not the factor. Understood? Good. Well, students, what is the definition of factor? What we have learnt? If you have a number of things into equal group, what I said, if you have the number of things in equal group and nothing is left over, then such groups are called factors. Now, let's discuss about the properties of factors. Students, the first one is the least factor of all the natural numbers. Understood? Properties number 1 is the smallest factor, you can say, of every natural number. In every number you will get 1 as a factor. Properties number 2, every natural number is having 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. Suppose 12, factor of 12 is what, students? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Here as well as 12 is also the factor. 1 is the factor and 12 is the factor. What does it mean? Every natural number is having 2 factors, that is 1 and 12.